Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to remove credit or debit card from Amazon. This is really easy, very simple to do. First step we're gonna do is go to the app or the site amazon.com. Right here you can see the site, and once you're here you're going to log in. Once you log in, you're going to click right here, this icon right here, and you can see all these options. You're going to click see all button right here, and then you're going to find this option called your membership and subscriptions. You're going to click right here, and then you're going to select your wallet, and right here you can click your card and remove it if you want. As you can see, this is really easy to do and it's very simple. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.